Hey, what's up? This is Gabe with Ascend Systems. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, another sales guy. And look, I get it. Probably had 17 calls this week from some guy in a basement with a ring light and a dream promising you 300 leads by Thursday. Yeah, we're not that. We charge $297. I'm going to walk you through a live client account. So instead of telling you what we do, we're going to show you. So first, we build a clean professional website. Now, I know some of you are rocking a site. It looks like it was built in 2009 during a power outage, and that's okay. We're not here to judge. We're here to fix it. But what really matters is right here. When a customer fills out your quote form, they don't get some email that gets buried between a Bed Bath & Beyond coupon and a LinkedIn notification nobody asked for. They get an automatic text instantly. So I filled out my information. Since this is one of our clients, I just put it's Gabe ignore, and so he doesn't get mad, and then we'll hit submit. All right, so as you can see, that came through. It says new lead AI follow-up. You can toggle that on or off. The thing about text is they get open, they start conversations turn into jobs. It's as simple as that. And everything runs through our app. You can run your whole business from your phone, and by that I mean you click 2 buttons. Like I just said, you have that AI agent. You could turn it on, you could turn it off. They'll answer questions, they can book appointments, send estimates automatically. Basically, a receptionist that never calls in sick, never asks for a raise, and doesn't eat your lunch out of the break room fridge. All right, let's talk about Google reviews, because these things are basically digital gold, like more valuable than that half-used tube of caulk you've been holding on to since 2018. So we first started with Jake with Guardian Roofing a few years ago. Let me see if I'm able to pull up a screenshot. When we first started working with Guardian Roofing, they had 2 Google reviews. 2. I've seen bathroom stalls with better ratings. Okay, I'm gonna show you something a little scary. This is literally the backbone of how your Google reviews will be automated for you. And this is how your customers are gonna see it, a little bit more pretty. So here's what we set up. After every single job, their customer gets a text with a clean, simple review page. And this is where it gets smart. You're probably wondering what happens if they click 3, 2, or 1 jobs. Well, first, if they click 4 or 5 stars, it goes straight to the Google page and they'll leave a glowing review. Beautiful. That's automatic after every job. Now, if they click 3, 2, or 1 stars, they get redirected to a private survey. They vent, you learn, and it never touches your Google page. Everybody wins. Well, except maybe the one guy who's upset his gutters weren't installed during a hurricane, but you can't please everyone. Bottom line, it's not going to damage your business, and maybe you get to learn a little bit. And this works for any home service business, not just roofing. Doesn't matter if you're HVAC, landscaping, plumbing, painting, you name it. After every job, reviews go up, your reputation builds on autopilot. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what a customer will do. They'll look up contractors near me. I just put Contractors Seattle. Okay, real talk. You miss calls. I know it. You know it. Your voicemail box that's been full since the dawn of time knows it. And honestly, it's not your fault. You're out in the field. You're managing a job. You're doing actual work. But here's the brutal truth. They're already scrolling the next business on Google. What we do is we set up an automatic missed call text back. Now, again, this is not anything that you'll see, but it's cool to know how it works. You miss the call, a message gets sent out. You pick what it says. We like something like, shoot me a quick text or video of your project, and we'll get right back to you. This is an actual live account, and watch what happens. Most customers are pumped to talk about their project. They've been planning that kitchen remodel or bathroom renovation or even the backyard makeover for months. Give them an excuse to talk about it, and they will send you a novel, a very enthusiastic, photo-heavy novel. It's perfect. You've got them engaged, you've got context on the job, and you haven't even called them back yet. That's working smart. Look, those are just the 3 big highlights. When you come on board with Ascend Systems, you get the full platform. Invoicing, estimates, a CRM, so your client list isn't just a pile of sticky notes on your dashboard, and everything runs right from your phone. We also have more plans depending how heavy you want to get with it. Other than that, we'll see you on the call.